Welcome to Module 4.1, Capturing Clear Audio on a Budget. High quality audio really helps when creating engaging videos, but achieving it doesn't necessarily require expensive equipment. This module explores how to maximize the potential of budget-friendly audio solutions, ensuring the projects sound professional and clear, even with limited resources. First, we're going to start with smartphone audio capture, what you have in your hand likely right now. With a smartphone, you simply need to speak directly at the device. You do have to focus on projecting outward because it's not meant to capture just you, but everything around it. Meaning it's going to capture environment, people in the background, music playing, compared to microphones like this, which I'll go over in a moment, are meant to capture just my voice. So when it comes to audio capture, if you do not have the money, don't worry. These phones that we have are incredible and can truly capture 95% of the brilliance when it comes to your content and not necessarily all that finesse that, these type of microphones truly get. But next, it is these type of microphones, which I call affordable mini mics. Affordable mini mics are terrific because they capture high quality audio, they condense it, and they make you sound even clearer than anything else. But this journey of video creation, I have tried tons of different ones. And I'm going to go over some of the different ones here that I've seen, and what I currently use. So when it goes to the sub 150 range on Amazon, you can find a lot of microphones. Nowadays, they're getting easier and easier. Years ago, this Rode mic, I couldn't even connect to my device unless I brought an extra 2 cables and that were dangling under. But they have options now that are about $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 to $100 that are super easy. The goal of these easy ones is that they're easy to use, plug and play, meaning you just plug them in and they're ready. Also, it's a great thing to have if you can get that there are multiple of these so that you can do interviews, have multiple focal points or audio points, and truly capture the true scenario. But the problem with these microphones is that they don't condense. They're not high quality for a reason. They're made fairly cheaply. So imagine if you're paying $40 and you have Amazon fees, the profit margin, the marketing, you're not going to be really paying $40 for a microphone. You're paying $40 for a $5 to $10 microphone. But this has showed me that, hey, at least it's out there. When I was a lot more budget conscious, I had to buy these and I learned quite a bit. And that brings me over to the above 150 range, which is what I've realized really is worth every single penny. I bought this one, this one, this one. Some of these were even above 150. Currently, I use a DJI mic. DJI is an incredible company that's well known for their work with drones and tons of other tech. This mic right here, I can plug it right into my iPhone. I put this on my shirt through a clip or through a magnet, and it's ready to go, getting very clear audio. The positive of all these above 150 microphones is they're actually made very, very well. They condense your voice. They balance a lot of things out. You don't have to speak loudly, like right now I'm whispering. Compared to usually when I speak with just my phone, I have to project, which you probably hear now is probably overblown because of this mic. These above 150 mics also have a way farther range. I've gone about 200 yards with this and it still picks it up. Also, it brings 2 of them, so I've done interviews to interview me and someone else and cover both conversations super easily. So that's kind of the positives when it comes to affordable microphones. You can go very cheap and kind of get this positive professional output, or you can go above 150 and get the super awesome quality that even when you whisper, it captures everything like it's no big deal. Next, we're going to jump into optimizing your recording environments. One of the main ones I'd like to just mention to people is scouting your locations. If you're going to be shooting somewhere, go try and take a drive by or check it out how it looks at different times of day. This can mean traffic, this can mean planes flying overhead, or the gym of how many people are there. But scouting these locations is going to truly help making your content so that you can craft if you need one of these, or if you can just do it with your phone and hold it in front of you. And then lastly is audio editing. This is another thing that I've wasted a lot of money and a lot of time learning, as I told you in one of the other videos. And I've realized that all of it's pointless. Of course, if you're making music, super high-end productions, or very, very, very technical things, you may need to learn some of this audio editing. But truly, what I recommend is finding the easiest way to do it, which I have found one app only. It's made on Adobe, so if you have Photoshop or any of those other programs in Adobe, you already have access to this, and it does everything to a masterful level with one click. So I'll tell you about that app later. I'm sorry, I want to tease you with it. But we're going to keep going as Module 4.1 concludes. The main thing I want to make sure you guys remember that it's not about the cost of your equipment, having fancy technology. It's about the quality and the clarity of your message. All right, chat soon.